Hi, in this series I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 100 calories per ounce with just a few ingredients. They are fast and easy to make without having to carry extra cooking utensils. But the end result will be something you could even make to impress a date. Today's recipe really is a breeze. If you are capable of rehydrating a bag of Mountain House, you are also able to make this classic fettuccine Alfredo. The Italians call it pasta al burro, and the base consists of just 3 ingredients. So the key here, as usual with Italian recipes, is to get good quality ingredients because there's no hiding the taste of a bad product behind a lot of different flavors and spices. You take 4.4 ounces of a wide ribbon pasta like fettuccine, but tagliatelle will also do the trick. 2 ounces of salted butter, the salt makes it shelf stable, and 2.6 ounces of real Parmesan. For the flavoring, we have a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Cold soak the pasta in a cup of water for 90 minutes with a teaspoon of salt. Don't let them soak much longer or the pasta will become mushy and we need it al dente. Pour the pasta in your cooking pot and add some more water so the pasta has enough room. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for just 1 minute. Put the pasta aside, but leave some of the water in your pot, about 2 tablespoons. Now comes the key part. Add the butter to the warm cooking pot in small slices if it's not already soft. If the pot cooled off too much, put the tiniest of fire under it, but don't melt or fry the butter. Add the pasta back in. And put finely grated Parmesan on top. Now keep stirring till the butter and Parmesan become a sauce and stick to the pasta. Finish it off with pepper, and I like to add something green for the smell and look of it, like rosemary or oregano. An awesome classic fettuccine Alfredo with a staggering 134 calories per ounce in just a couple of minutes. For this recipe, I put the pasta with salt in a big freezer bag. Put the butter in a Ziploc of its own. You can seal it shut with a flame if you don't trust the bag. And finally, the Parmesan, pepper and rosemary can go in a bag together. This recipe is easy to combine with other pastas from the playlist that should now be appearing on your screen. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.